Good morning students and welcome back to Alchemy online classes. Student, in our previous class we have started a new chapter, the Northern Plain. In that chapter, in I read session, we have learned about plains. We learned that plains are flat land areas. They are more fertile as compared to mountains, which make agriculture easier and farmers are mostly like to live there, and as a result other peoples also settle in the plains. The other reason why people are living in plains or why they want to live in plains, because the plains are the home for many animals and birds, and their vegetation is also easier than mountain. So people are getting easily vegetable, fruits and their livelihoods. So this is the main reason why many people are settled in plains. Students, do you know the major rivers that flow through the northern plains? The major rivers which are flowing through the northern plains are Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra. Now we'll learn about them and their tributaries. What is the meaning of tributaries? That we will learn first. Tributaries means rivers or streams that flow into a large rivers. So we'll learn that what is the tributaries of Ganga, Indus and Brahmaputra. The tributary of river Ganga including Ganga, Gomati, Ghaggar, Kosi and Chambal. The tributaries of river Brahmaputra including Lohit, Dibang, Savansar, Kameng, Tista. And the river base is Indus main tributary. So these all are tributaries of these three major rivers of India. These major rivers of northern plains are helping to cultivate and make the land fertile for farming, because when they are flowing through the northern plain, these rivers being along minerals, rock, form the mountains and deposit them on their bank and surrounding area. This deposit area are rich in alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is the most fertile soil in the world. It makes the northern plain extremely fertile. Alluvial soil means soil made up of minerals, rocks and the sand of mountain. When this all will combine, the soil becomes more fertile and it is very useful for farming. So this all river, when this all flow through the northern plains, this all brings this kind of soil for northern plains. And what happens when they flow through the northern plains? At last they drain into the basins. These three rivers, Ganga, Brahmaputra and Indus, divide the northern plain into three basins. The basins is an area watered by a river and its tributary. So which are that three basins? First, the Indus river dived into the Indus basin. The river Ganga drained into the Ganga basin, and the river Brahmaputra drained into Brahmaputra basin. Now student, we are going to read the northern plains. The northern plains lies to the south of the northern mountain. They extend from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. These plains are also called the Great Plains of India or Indo-Gangetic Plains. The northern plains have been formed by three major rivers: the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra and their tributaries. These rivers bring along minerals, rocks, slit from the mountains and deposit them on their bank and surrounding area. These deposits are rich in alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is the most fertile soil in the world. It makes the northern plain extremely fertile. The Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers divide the northern plains into three basins. A basin is an area watered by a river and its tributaries. The three basins are: first, the Indus basin; second, the Ganga basin; and third, the Brahmaputra basin. So students, we can see here that northern plains lie to the south of the northern mountain and they extend from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. These plains are called Great Plains of India or Indo-Gangetic Plains. The rivers which are flowing here are the river Indus, the river Ganga and the river Brahmaputra. And these rivers, when they are flowing, so they bring minerals, rocks, straight from mountain and settle things in the bank of their and surrounding areas. And this deposit are rich in alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is the most fertile soil in the world, and that is why it makes the northern plains extremely fertile. That is why we can see many of the vegetations are in the northern part of India. Many kind of wheat, pulses, we can see that covered the northern part of India. And the Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra are lastly drained into their basin. There are three main basins: the Indus basin, the Ganga basin and third one, the Brahmaputra basin. So students, this is the northern plains. Now you have to complete question number 1 and 2 of B, worksheet 4.1, question number 1 of worksheet 4.2, question number 1 and 5 of worksheet 4.3. So today we learn about three main rivers of northern plains: River Ganga, River Indus and River Brahmaputra. How they bring minerals and change the soil into alluvial soil, which is the most fertile soil, and how they lastly drain into their basin. So we'll learn about this all basins in our next class.